Hey everybody, I got this GoPro Hero 7. Check this out. This is, you know what, this is completely brand new, because when it's still in a package like this is some brand new, I got it off the butt, out of the truck rig type thing. I got this from Amazon, and you won't believe this, $298 for this camera. Yes, and I am filming on my GoPro Hero 4 to do this. Let's open this up. I got this from Amazon, but like I said, $298. I know people wondering, how you get from $298? Well, they had to spend over $140 some to get promotion for 6 months, no interest. So I got this. So I got this. You notice you can never open it from here. I don't know why. So you have to go all the way from over here to do it. It's 2019. I know I'm late doing this, but like I said, I was going to wait till the 8, maybe Hero 8, but I saw this and I was like, I can get this now while I could. So there goes the box. Let's put the box up right there. Here's the camera. It's rubbery like the other camera. Look at that. Got your thing here. Look at that. Got your thing there. Let's open up and see what kind of accessories this sucker got. You got this is this. Need help? I don't. GoPro Hero stickers. And this. GoPro. What is this? Important product book. You got your sticky mounts. Sticky mount. Look at that. Sticky mount. Let's see what else. Oh, no, let's not go that way yet. Got USB. This new USB. I think it's 3.0. I don't know. It's about to tell me right. Look at that. USB. Put it there. More likely I will use another USB, and I might keep this in the box because I have a GoPro Hero 5 Session, and this camera is replacing that Hero Session. There's nothing wrong with the Hero Session 5. The problem with it is a built-in battery, and I've been using that deep, so this camera is really replacing that. You got your battery. Look at that. I'm gonna have to buy another battery since it's a whole totally different camera. Look at that. GoPro battery. Let's see. Is that it? My God, it is it. So let's put some of this stuff back in. I don't want to use these sticky mounts. And I might not need to use this just yet. So we can close that up. Put this stuff all back on top and close it up because we just need to use the camera. Let's see. There we go. taking stuff off. Look at that. And keep this on here. This clip. This is Hero 7. Let's see, is this a hard case? Ooh, to open. Ooh. It is a hard case to open. There we go. I hope this don't break. Because the camera I'm using, the thing broke on it. Right, look at this. Got your cover screen. I'm gonna buy a screen protector for this thing. Got Hero 7 on it. Like this has a Hero 7 on it. That's good. I like it. Stuff. Got your button on the side here. That ain't coming on because there's no battery. And stuff. Let's take this paper off. I don't want to touch the lens. Dang. This is gonna be some hard work trying to get that off. Let's see how you open it. It feels kind of good the way it is. You gotta bear with me, I just got this camera and I'm new to opening it. Okay, there we go. Juice. Let's see how this battery flings itself in here. Is it this way? Nope. This way. There it goes. Like that. There we go. It's beeping. Hero 7. Hero 7, say hell to Hero 4 Silver with the screen on the back of it. Look at y'all together. Yeah, I'm about to take that screen piece off. Damn, I really am going to take the screen. Let me turn this camera off. Hold on. I'm going to take the screen thing off if I can. There it goes. Yeah, put it in the box. All right, I got it off. Let's cut it back on. Now, no, I'll break it down a little bit. Reason why I got this, like I said, is replacing Hero 5 sachets. Nothing wrong with it. But sooner or later, I think that battery's going to go out because I've used that harder than anything. So it's more, this will replace it. Now we got here, it says English. Oop. It says, I agree. GPS off. It says, okay, it says install it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to install it because I got the app already. Are you sure you want to? Let's skip that. Today is the 4th month. Today is the 7th. 19. Ooh, this is brighter than the one I'm using now. Yeah, the screen is brighter, but I gotta unbrighten that. Ooh, and the battery's down. Look at that.